Hey guys, and we have some special at Scan UK, and we're with Adam from Thermaltake. Yes, UK. And this is one of these new products that you have, the racing wheel, because I know you do the GR500.
We do, as a standalone frame, yeah.
And now you've added extra bits to it, like
now we've got the full motion system.
Some full motion system.
GR6 wheel, pedal set.
GR6 wheel,
yeah.
The whole thing with the pedals.
The pedals, the Monitor Pro sound.
Wow. This whole setup. Okay, tell me more about this GR6. It's just brand new, and you've been available on the market soon.
It's available now.
Right now?
Yep.
And tell me more about this. So you got this actual, what is this thing? This is the actual
This
drive.
is the direct drive
unit.
This is a 6 Newton meter direct drive unit.
Okay, cool. And then you have this wheel, which has a load of buttons.
Yep.
Tell me, explain what kind of buttons it has and what does it do?
You have your paddle shift, change gear up, change gear down, your handbrake, and the wheel.
Oh, the wheel comes off? Okay, cool.
Detachable, yeah.
Wow, look at this. Look at this. With all these buttons here. And look at these. X, Y, A and B. Your menu system right here. Yeah, all these wheels, pedals, and all sorts. And this wheel comes up. Oh, ball bearing too.
Yeah, it's
nice.
all quick release, yeah.
Quick release.
Line up the white line on the stem to the white line on the wheel.
Done.
Lock back on, ready to race again.
All right, so this is compatible with most of the racing games and everything.
Yep.
And how easy to actually mount the whole system? Like a GR500?
Yeah, GR500 general assembly.
Right.
Easy to follow instructions to put together straight out the box. To mount the G6 drive unit is 4 bolts underneath the already assembled steering wheel plate. Attach that on there. The cable from here goes down to the accelerator pedal.
Right, okay.
And then that links then to a main, what we call the brain box, which is underneath the system here, which controls all the motion system.
Right. And with this whole thing set up, it's you can get it as a whole system with all the...
You can,
or individually?
The pedals and steering wheel come together.
And this has, would you say, it was 150 kg?
150 kilo on the motion system, yeah.
Excellent. And again, available right now.
Available right now, yeah.
And you can just mount, if of course, you could, this whole set would probably cost you what?
The setup without the monitors and the system behind me is about 5.6.
5.6.
Yeah.
But you can also just get the frame, the racing cockpit, the simulator frame, and then you get the actuators separately. The wheel G6, is it G6?
G6,
yeah. G6, and you can get that again separately, which I think is really good because you can actually modularize it, right? I mean, you can get the frame itself first.
Yeah, you can. The G6 is fully assembled out of the box. No additional stuff to attach to it. You install our direct drive software.
Yep.
As soon as you load your game, the game will find our software and work straight away with it. No prefigured settings, no additional settings to put in. It knows where it is.
And if you want extra features and all that, really good kind of simulating feel. You can actually put the or buy the separate actuators, which then gives you more of a encompassing kind of.
You feel every bump, every turn in the road.
Excellent, excellent. Again, available right now from Thermaltake Scan, and I think it's a great setup. I mean, this is one of the first things I've seen at Computex when I saw it.
With the motion system.
Motion system,
attached to each corner. Each cable is labelled where it goes to the master box. Front left, rear left, front right, front left.
Yeah.
You connect it up, turn the power on, load the Sims Talk settings that come with it, activate the license, and away you race.
Excellent, excellent. Because I think driving sims are really popular these days. I've seen a load of people uptake on that, and it's quite surprising, because I thought, back in the day, F1 was like really good, and people were using the wheels and that, but then it kind of faded away. But now it's back in.
It's back in full motion, as we can say.
And you just recently went to an event, right, at Silverstone?
We did. We did a Gaston track at Silverstone last weekend.
And you had a load of people trying it out?
638 people used this rig between 8:30 in the morning and 6 p.m. at night. And we had the snow rig without the motion system on, and that was about 350 people use it.
The feedback is really good, right? Because I mean,
faultless throughout the day. Everybody had a go. People had multiple goes. We had some YouTubers there.
I think what makes this really attractive is the price. Because I mean, and it's so modular. You just get the frame first, get the wheel, and then later on think, okay, I want more.
For the motion,
save up for the motion. And then the seat, is that already coming good?
That comes with the GR500,
Right.
The motion system is a 3 DOF. So you get your you pitch, you roll, you heave, you feel when you're braking, you feel when you accelerate, you feel every bump and turn in the track. So the more aggressive the game, like rallying, you can
really feel it, right?
An F1 game, when you do the rumble strips, you'll just feel it.
Yeah, you feel it jump.
But the feel of the drive and the feel back through the wheel, it's like you're driving.
So the G6 is 480.
Yeah.
You got the wheel, the actual drive unit, and the pedals.
And the pedals all set. Yep.
Ready to go. Set. Wow, that's really good pricing. Okay, so hope you guys enjoy this. Well, hope you will enjoy the G500 whole setup and also the wheel G6 available right now at Scan UK. So thank you, Adam, for your time.
My pleasure.
Hope to see you soon.
Happy racing.
Happy racing.